Hi, if you don't know us already, we're Helen, Andy and our self-built glamper van Giovanna. Inspired by our love of travel, we make videos as we travel the world, experiencing new countries and cultures, so why not join us on our van life adventures? Found somewhere for us to sit down. Yeah, that'd be nice. Okay, we've come out today to the Secret Gardens. They're right in the centre of Marrakesh. They've only been open for about a year, but it's a tiny botanical gardens. So quiet. Wrapped around it is all the souks, the markets and the chaos of Marrakesh. There's no tourists in. We've been here so long now, we're not tourists, we're locals. They don't even bother asking us to buy stuff anymore. They just say hello. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. That's all we get now. Not sir. Please. Sorry. Bye. Looky. Anyway, you've got to come here. If you come to Marrakesh, look up the Secret Gardens. Absolutely fabulous. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow.